Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade to InShot Pro. If you want to unlock premium features like watermark free exports, high quality exports including 4K premium effects, transitions and no ads, upgrading to InShot Pro is your best move, and in this tutorial I'll walk you through the official way to upgrade InShot step by step right from your phone. So let's dive in. First, open your InShot app from your phone and make sure you're on the main home screen where you see the option like video, photo and the collage. So in this option in the top right we can find this icon there just beside the settings. Select there, and over here on the bottom we could find this plan of your monthly or the yearly, which is for the family sharing. Over here, once you select to this subscription plan, tap on the continue on the bottom and your phone's app store, Google Play Store or the Android. And over here what you can do is double click to subscribe. Simply double click to it. You can follow the on-screen steps to complete the payment using your preferred methods, cards, wallet, and select subscribe on the bottom. And once the purchase is successful, InShot Pro features will be unlocked automatically. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and if you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.